Oh.
Uh-oh, she found it.
You found a squeaky.
So where'd it go? Look at her toe.
Has she tried to take the squeakies out at all?
She just plays with them, like right now. She just rolls over and throws them out, and she just recently found out what they did or what they're for. See, she does that a lot. Because she seen the little ones playing with them, so she was like, oh. She didn't catch on until the baby started playing with them. And then she realized that's what they're for, so she's basically like a puppy again.
Yeah, she was probably never had the opportunity to do
Oh, I'm sure she never had toys before.
Does she have any bones left?
She has no more bones.
I was going to pick her some up tonight, but it was raining downtown, and I went to go pick up my prescriptions.
Hey,
And I
Mama.
didn't get out. So I'll get her some